A 40-degree temperature drop in 24 hours. Widespread snow across 15 states. And some cities facing their coldest morning of the winter. Are you prepared for what is about to hit the eastern United States this weekend? Right now, a massive Arctic blast is barreling down from Canada, and it is splitting America into two completely different weather worlds. The West Coast is enjoying near-record warmth while the East is about to get slammed with dangerous cold and heavy snow. Here is what you need to know in the next 30 seconds. If you live anywhere from Michigan to Maine or from Kentucky to Connecticut, snow is coming. Not just light flurries. We are talking about 3 to 12 inches depending on your location. And the timing? It starts Friday night and continues through Sunday. Let me give you the critical timeline right now. Today, Wednesday, February 4th, temperatures are already dropping across New England. By tonight, first snowflakes arrive in cities like Burlington, Vermont, and Portland, Maine. But that is just the warm-up act. The real snow event happens this weekend when a powerful Alberta clipper merges with Arctic air to create widespread snowfall. Comment below with your city name and I will give you the exact forecast for your location. Drop your city right now. Boston, Pittsburgh, Chicago. Tell me where you are watching from and I will reply with your specific snow and temperature forecast. Now let me break down exactly what is happening and when it impacts your area. Starting with the Northeast. Boston, Massachusetts. Mark your calendar. Snow begins Friday night around 11 p.m. By Saturday morning, steady snow is falling. You are looking at 3 to 5 inches total by Sunday morning. The heaviest snow? Saturday afternoon between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Temperatures crash from 42 degrees Friday afternoon to just 18 degrees Sunday morning. That is a 24-degree plunge. New York City, your timeline is similar but slightly delayed. Friday night brings light snow after midnight. Saturday morning, heavier snow develops. Manhattan sees 2 to 4 inches. Northern suburbs like White Plains, Yonkers, and New Rochelle could get 4 to 6 inches. Peak snowfall Saturday evening, 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sunday morning, low drops to 21 degrees with wind chills near 10 degrees. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, you are on the edge. Friday night starts with rain. Saturday morning between 8 a.m. and noon, watch for the changeover to snow. If the flip happens quickly, you could see 3 to 5 inches. If it stays rain longer, maybe only 1 to 2 inches. This is a tricky forecast. Peak snow potential Saturday late morning. Sunday low 24 degrees. Pittsburgh, you are in the bullseye for heavy snow. Friday afternoon around 3 p.m. snow begins. It continues through Saturday night. Total accumulation 5 to 8 inches in the city, possibly 10 inches in higher elevations south of Pittsburgh. Heaviest snow Friday night 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Saturday. Sunday morning temperature 14 degrees, that is 28 degrees below normal for early February. Buffalo, New York, you know, lake effect snow. This weekend you get Arctic air plus lake effect enhancement. Snow starts Friday night around 10 p.m., continues all weekend. South of Buffalo, Hamburg, and Orchard Park could see 12 to 18 inches. North suburbs, 6 to 10 inches. Peak intensity Saturday morning and again Sunday morning. Monday morning low, 6 degrees below zero. Wind chills 20 below zero. Syracuse, New York, snow Friday night through Sunday. 6 to 9 inches expected. Heaviest Saturday afternoon. Sunday morning, 3 degrees above zero. Wind chills 10 below zero. Albany, New York, snow begins Friday night around 9 p.m., continuing through Saturday afternoon, 4 to 7 inches, peak Saturday morning to early afternoon, Sunday low, 8 degrees. Portland, Maine, this is a significant snow event for you. Snow begins Friday evening around 7 p.m., continues through Saturday night. 7 to 11 inches possible, especially in coastal areas. Peak snowfall Saturday afternoon and evening. Strong winds Saturday night with gusts to 40 miles per hour create blowing snow. Near whiteout conditions possible Sunday morning. Sunday low 0 degrees. Wind chills 15 below zero. Burlington, Vermont, you are the cold capital. Snow starts Friday afternoon around 4 p.m., continues through Sunday morning. Total accumulation 8 to 12 inches. Peak Saturday evening. Sunday morning low 12 degrees below zero. Monday morning 15 below zero. Frostbite occurs in less than 10 minutes at these temperatures. Now the Great Lakes region. You are getting hammered with snow and cold. Cleveland, Ohio, snow arrives Friday afternoon around 2 p.m. Continues through Saturday evening. 5 to 8 inches expected. Lake effect enhancement on the east side could push totals higher. Peak Friday night and Saturday morning. Sunday low, 11 degrees. Wind chills, 5 below zero. Detroit, Michigan, snow Friday evening through Saturday night. 4 to 7 inches. Peak Saturday morning. Sunday low, 9 degrees. Chicago, Illinois. This is interesting. Light snow Friday night, only 1 to 3 inches. But the real story is the temperature crash. Saturday afternoon, temperatures drop from 38 degrees to 22 degrees in just 6 hours. Sunday morning low, 8 degrees. Wind chills, 10 below zero. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 2 to 4 inches Friday night. Peak Friday evening around 10 p.m. Sunday low, 4 degrees. Wind chills, 15 below zero. Minneapolis, Minnesota, light snow. Friday, 1 to 2 inches. Saturday brings another round, 2 to 3 inches. But Sunday morning, 12 degrees below zero. Monday morning, 18 below zero. This is the coldest air of winter so far for you. Cincinnati, Ohio, snow. Friday afternoon through Saturday morning, 3 to 6 inches. Peak Friday evening around 8 p.m. Sunday low, 16 degrees. Columbus, Ohio, 4 to 7 inches Friday evening through Saturday afternoon. Peak Friday night around midnight. Sunday low, 14 degrees. Indianapolis, Indiana, 2 to 5 inches Friday night through Saturday morning. Peak Friday late evening. Sunday low, 12 degrees. Now let me cover more cities quickly because I know many of you are watching from other areas. Baltimore, Maryland, you are borderline rain and snow. Friday night rain, Saturday morning watching for a flip to snow. If it happens, 2 to 4 inches. Peak accumulation potential Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sunday low, 26 degrees. Washington, D.C., rain Friday night. Saturday morning, northern and western suburbs like Gaithersburg and Rockville could see 2 to 5 inches if the changeover occurs. Downtown D.C., maybe an inch. Peak Saturday late morning. Sunday low, 28 degrees. Providence, Rhode Island, 3 to 6 inches Saturday. Peak Saturday afternoon. Sunday low, 19 degrees. Hartford, Connecticut, 4 to 7 inches Friday night through Saturday. Peak Saturday morning. Sunday low, 16 degrees. Manchester, New Hampshire, 6 to 10 inches Friday night through Saturday. Peak Saturday afternoon. Sunday low, 4 degrees. Rochester, New York, 5 to 8 inches Friday night through Saturday. Lake enhancement possible. Sunday morning, 2 degrees. Erie, Pennsylvania, the lake effect king, 8 to 14 inches Friday night through Sunday. Peak Saturday and again Sunday morning. Sunday low, 7 degrees. Scranton, Pennsylvania, 5 to 8 inches Friday night through Saturday. Peak Saturday morning. Worcester, Massachusetts, 5 to 8 inches Friday night through Saturday. Peak Saturday afternoon. Now here is something critical. There is a potential second system Sunday night into Monday. This one could bring additional snow during the Monday morning commute right after Super Bowl Sunday. Pittsburgh, potential for another 3 to 5 inches Monday morning. Cleveland, 2 to 4 inches. Buffalo, 3 to 6 inches. This system is still uncertain, but if you have Monday morning plans, consider backup options. While all this snow and cold hits the east, the West Coast is experiencing the complete opposite. Los Angeles, highs this weekend 78 to 82 degrees. San Francisco, near 70 degrees. Phoenix, upper 70s to near 80. Denver jumps from the 20s on Friday to near 60 degrees by Tuesday. That is a 35-degree swing in 4 days. Dallas, Texas, Friday, high 77 degrees, near 80 Saturday. But Monday, the cold arrives. High only 48 degrees. Oklahoma City, Friday high 76 degrees. Tuesday high drops to 38 degrees. Now, safety information. If you're in the path of this snow and cold, here is what to do right now. Number 1, charge all devices. Power outages are possible. Number 2, stock up on essentials before Friday afternoon. Bread, milk, batteries, medications. Number 3, check your heating system. With below zero temperatures coming, you cannot afford a furnace failure. Number 4, prepare your vehicle. Full tank of gas, winter emergency kit with blankets, flashlight, phone charger. Number 5, protect your pipes. Let faucets drip Saturday night and Sunday morning when temperatures are coldest. Number 6, limit outdoor exposure Sunday and Monday morning. Wind chills will be dangerous. Frostbite can occur in minutes. Here is what you need to remember. First, Arctic blast, today through Thursday. Cold but manageable. Second Arctic blast, Friday through Sunday. This is the big one. Widespread snow. Temperature drops of 30 to 40 degrees. Coldest morning Sunday. Many areas below zero. I promised you over 70 cities in the longer version, but for this forecast, I have covered the major metros and the areas facing the highest snow totals and coldest temperatures. But I know I did not cover everywhere. That is why I need you to comment below with your city. Tell me where you are watching from. Atlanta, Memphis, Des Moines, Louisville, Raleigh. Wherever you are, drop your city in the comments right now and I will personally reply with your exact forecast. The pattern next week is fascinating. Warmth builds across the plains and Midwest. Chicago could hit 50 degrees by Wednesday, February 12th. That is 42 degrees warmer than Sunday morning. Minneapolis could reach the upper 40s, but that warmth is temporary. History shows that big February warm-ups are often followed by even colder air and bigger storms. I expect another Arctic outbreak around February 15th to February 20th. We could see another major winter storm during that period. One final reminder, this is rapidly evolving. Storm tracks can shift, snow amounts can change. Stay updated. I will have another video Friday morning with final details. Exact timing, exact amounts, city-by-city updates. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. The Friday video will be critical for weekend planning. Here is a teaser. Friday's video will reveal which cities are most likely to set record low temperatures Sunday morning. I will show you exact satellite and radar imagery as the storm develops Friday night. You will see where the heaviest snow bands set up. 3 things to do right now. 1. Comment your city name for a personalized forecast. 2. Subscribe and turn on notifications for Friday's update. 3. Share this video with anyone in the storm's path. This is going to be a wild weekend. Record cold, significant snow, dangerous wind chills. But you are prepared now. You know what is coming and when. Stay safe. Stay warm. I will see you Friday with all the final details.